Okay, number 7a. Fx is x plus 6 and fgx equals 2x squared minus 3x minus 7. So we want to find g. So g is inside. Okay, so g is inside. So what you have to do, you have to replace the whole thingy here. Okay, but right down here. So it becomes gx plus 6 equals 2x squared minus 3x minus 7. Then just move 6. So it becomes, so gx equals 2x squared minus 3x minus 7 minus 6 will be minus 13. Okay, that is gx. Now look at b. So what happened if gfx is given? So again, fx is x plus 6. I don't want to be confused. Okay, so I rewrite gfx is x squared plus 4. X squared plus 4. So now if you replace fx, become g x plus 6 equals x squared plus 4. Okay, so you have to take this out. Equals to y or whatever algebra you like. So y equals to x plus 6. So y minus 6 equals to x, makes x a subject. Then you replace this where x is. So it becomes gy. Therefore, gy become, because you are replacing this here, so the expression will be in terms of y. So it becomes y minus 6 squared plus 4. So y minus 6 is y minus 6, y minus 6 plus 4. Expand the bracket, y squared minus 6y minus 6y plus 36 plus 4. So y squared minus 12y plus 4t. Therefore, gx will be x squared minus 12x plus 4t. Okay, so that is the question 7a and 7b. Now 7c. Again, is given gf. So just replace f. So x plus 6 here, 8 minus x, and then y equals, you say let this equals to y. So y minus 6 equals x. So replace here where x is. So it becomes gy equals 8 minus, because this is an expression, make sure you put in bracket y minus 6 and then expand the bracket, 8 minus y plus 6. So the answer is 14 minus y. Therefore, gx will be 14 minus x. Okay. Okay, number 8. There's a diagram PQR and is given here fgx equals x squared minus 3x plus 6. So if directly P to R, it will become fgx. So if you go P to Q and Q to R, so which it will be this. So is this G and F or F and G. Okay, so usually the diagram is like this. Okay, start from P and Q and R. P goes to Q, Q goes to R. So directly is FG. X squared minus 3x plus 6. Okay? So if you see this is FG, X actually go through G. Alright? So this is G actually, Gx. And then after Gx, Fx. Okay? So P to Q under G, Q to R under F. So it's direct FG, not GF. Okay? So that is the understanding part. Now, what is the question? A, write the function that maps set P to set Q by using the function notation. Okay, but then it's given already. Given that set P maps to set Q by the function x minus 1 over 3. Oh, okay. So it's just to make sure that you understand that this is under G. So the answer for A will be Gx is x minus 1 over 3. Okay. Okay, so since we know already that one, and then B, find the function that maps set Q to R. Q to R is F. So we just write down here F G X again. I will write x squared minus 3x plus 6. Okay, we want to find F. Okay, so G is inside. So F G is x minus 1 over 3 equals x squared minus 3x plus 6. Okay, as usually, because this is inside, this is outside, so we take this out, we say x minus 1 over 3 equals y. Okay, either you write this equal y or y equal to this, no problem. Okay, then make x a subject. So first you multiply. So x minus 1 equals 3y. So x equals 3y plus 1. And then you replace this where x is. There are two places you have to replace it. Okay, so it becomes, so therefore Fy become 3y plus 1 squared. Squared I will just write down twice. 3y plus 1 is easier for you to expand. Minus 3x. X is 3y plus 1. Then plus 6. And simplify. So it becomes 9y squared plus 3y plus 3y plus 6y plus 1 minus 9y, negative 3 times 3y. Negative 3 times 1 will be negative 3 plus 6. Simplify everything. We do not have anything here for y. And then 6y minus 9y will become negative 3y. 1 minus 3 plus 6. 1 minus 3 is negative 2. Negative 2 plus 6 will be 4 plus 4. Therefore, fx will be 9x squared minus 3x plus 4. Okay? That is the answer for B. Okay, so this is actually working for B. Okay, number 9, fx equal px plus q, f to the power of 3x equal to 8x minus 7. So, what is the question? Find the value of p and q. Okay, if you have f and f3, you have to create f3 from here. First, we have to create f squared. That is maybe our ff. ff will be f and f. Inside, I substitute ff, and then this I will substitute again inside f. So we are talking about f squared. So f squared will be, replace the whole thing here. So p bracket px plus q plus q. Okay, so become p squared x plus pq plus q. And then do again. So f3 equals to f2 f1 or f2. So which one easier? Looks like this easier. Substitute this inside there. So I will choose this one. Okay. So this I will place there. The whole thing I will replace here. Okay, substitute f squared inside f. So become p, the whole thing will be x, p squared x plus pq plus q plus q. Okay, this is where x is here, then q is outside there. So then we can multiply p power 3 x plus p squared q plus pq plus q. Okay. Alright. So what we can do now? This is f3. This is f3. So coefficient of x will be 8. So coefficient of x will be p power 3. So we say p power 3 equals 8. So p equal to cube root or 8 to the power of 1 over 3. So using calculator, you will get 2. Alright. So in order to know q, we compare this equals to -7. But replace p as 2. So the whole thing here, if replace p as 2, p squared will be 4q plus 2q plus q equals -7. So 4, 2 and 1 will be 7q equals -7. So q is -7 over 7 is -1. Therefore, we have p equals 2, q equals -1. Okay, is there any more question? Okay, okay, write down. Okay, so this is the working. So we have or b, p equals 2. So this is the answer for A. Q equals -1. Okay, and then question B asking for F4. F4. F4, because I do not know or me what is my F2. I did not take notes, so I have F3 only. Okay, so I'm going to find F3. Where here, I will substitute. I will write down F4 is F1, F3. Okay, but even before that, I will rewrite Fx is replace P as 2. So 2x minus 1, q is -1. So if F1, F3 mean F3 substitute into F1. So this we substitute here. So 2 bracket 8x minus 7 minus 1. So it becomes 16x minus 14 minus 1. So 16x minus 15. So that is the answer for 9B. Okay, C. They want to know what is the pattern. Okay, so if you read C, it says here, by studying the pattern of F, F squared, F3, F4, determine the general rule F power n, where n is the number of time. Okay, look at Fx. After replacing P and Q, you have 2x minus 1. And F squared will be 4x minus 3. F power 3x, 8x minus 7. F power 4, 16x minus 15. So, the rule here is that I can see this is power of base 2. Okay, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. Okay, so here is 1. 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4. So will be 2 power n. Okay, if here is 4, 2 power 4. Here is 3, 2 power 3. 2 power 3 will be 8. 2 power 2 will be 4. 2 power 1 will be. Then how to get this? Okay, what is the pattern? Okay, so it looks like that, like 2 minus less 1 but negative than this one. So 4, here negative 3, 8, negative 7. Here will be 16 and okay. So how to get that? Related with this one, but it should be negative. So if we write down minus 2 power n, it will be, for example, negative 16, negative 8, negative 4. Okay, so plus 1. So for this one, for this, the back here, if you replace n as 4, you get negative 16. Negative 16 plus 1 will be negative 15. Alright? Also, okay, I mistake here, x here. So if 2 power n minus 2 power n becomes 0. So because this x, okay, all this are x. So now we cannot 2 power n x minus 2 power n plus 1. So this one is first part here. This one is at the end here. Okay. This one will need a lot of practice. Okay. Especially on the indices.